You smudged everything, so we're good.
Grandma, didn't smudge my room.
Yeah, I did. I just smudged your room a little bit because kids shouldn't breathe a lot of smoke.